Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Findhorn Spirit Oracle cards. This is written and illustrated by Swan Treasure. It retails for $19.99 in the US and $24.99 in Canada, and it's published by Findhorn Press. This was sent to me by the publishing company, so I'm excited to share it with you. And as always, I will link in the description box below where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. Okay, so the back says, offering support and practical guidance for daily life, these 44 oracle cards emerged in close partnership with the subtle realms at Findhorn. Each card depicts a spirit being as they chose to reveal themselves through touch drawing, so as to pass on wisdom to help us navigate these times of transition. A longer message connected to the essence of the elemental can be found in the accompanying booklet, which also offers suggestions for a spiritual practice to open communication and engage more deeply with the nature spirits. Following the directions of the medicine wheel, the cards function as energy activators and assist us in deepening our connection with the divine. A potent tool for self-discovery and healing, this deck brings joy and light to your path. Awesome. So Swan Treasure is an artist mentor, systemic constellator, and a transformation game guide. She lives in the Findhorn community of Scotland. All right, I'm excited. Let's get into it. There's the inside of the box. There's the book. All right. Oh my goodness, look at the back. Cute. All right. I don't think we need to go too in depth to begin with before we get into the cards, but I do want to see what's inside here. So we have a table of contents. So co-creative spiritually, we've got some information on how to use the cards, and we have some layouts. Okay. And then it goes into the messages. Oh, I'm excited. All right, real fast. I just want to see the purpose of the cards here. Many of the spirit beings who were invited during that time to actively participate in co-creation with humans made themselves available and accessible. Oh, awesome. So they talk about how they came upon the images with their touch drawing. So that's exciting to read about. The medicine wheel, tuning into frequencies. All right, so how to use the cards. We have facilitating a dialogue with the spirit realm, more conscious of our choices, personal connection, be clear about your intentions. Awesome, so lots of info here. Then how to consecrate your deck and opening a reading, closing. Oh, we have some special cards. The Oracle consists of 6 sets of 7 cards each. Each set represents a gathering of spirit beings associated with one of the medicine wheel's portal of the east, the south, the west, and the north, or with the directions above and below. So the cards that belong to each set, the portals of the east, they change: awakening, delicacy, harmony, tenderness, trust, precision. South is generosity, abundance, etc. West is fulfillment, assurance, confidence, etc. North, purity, awareness, clarity. Realms above is self-love, alchemy, and compassion. Below is transcendence, belonging, and defensiveness. When the landscape angel appears in your reading, it blesses the opening of a conversation flow with the spirit beings of nature. Okay. So there's a lot of info here. Ooh, a lot of card layouts. I feel like this was already very well done, and I don't really have to get into it to understand that. That's amazing. Chakra, relationship reading. Wow. Just so much information. Okay. And then it goes into the card messages, which we will go through after the flip through. So already I like the simplicity of the back here. Very pretty. I love that bright yellow. And it is a gloss. And remember, this was a meditative state that the artist drew these beings on. So this is going to be very exciting and interesting to see. This is awesome. And the cardstock is actually really nice. It's not too thick, not too thick. It's flexible and it snaps back. So I'm sure it'll shuffle really nicely too. I really like that there is a keyword on there and then a little blurb about it. That is really awesome. Oh, wow. Oh. So far, I really like this. This is very different, but I feel like there's a lot of deep messages here and a very versatile deck at that. Oh, I'm kind of just taking everything in. I feel very connected to this. Like it just makes sense. I don't know if that is the same for you guys watching this, but it just, it's almost like you have friends in the deck. You know what I mean? I know that sounds silly. It just feels very familiar. I love this one with the leaves and the pretty green tones. Oh, do you guys remember the flowers in the Alice in Wonderland scene? And there's the cat flower. This is giving me that, and I love it. And I notice we have the different symbol changes, so that must mean that they're the different suits of the deck. I could be wrong. Oh, we have a card about boundaries. So important. Ooh, I like this. Reminds me of the Ents. What a different deck. I'm really enjoying this. Oh. Drama is unnecessary. Love that. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, that one's getting me emotional. I love that. In a good way. And the last one. Oh. Okay, let's see how they shuffle. Yeah, no issues. They snap back really nice. They shuffle just fine here as well. Let's get a card to read. Oh, yep. Oh, fulfillment. All right. Engage yourself fully. There are no second chances. Isn't that true? Okay, let's look at the guidebook here. There's no numbers on the card, but let's see. So this is the Portal of the West. So guardian of the wild grasses. I think that's one thing that I would change is the not having a number to flip right through it to, or like the symbol right next to the table of contents. Just me putting in my 2 cents. So Portal of the West. So it's evening, autumn, completion, feelings, harvest, letting go, crone, and the past. Through the Portal of the West, we reach the last stage of a journey. This place is associated with the setting of the sun and the autumn winds that teach us to let go. This is a place of transition, a place to shed the old and whatever is not essential before moving on. The crone resides here as well as our elderhood. All right, so fulfillment, guardian of the wild grasses. I am extremely fertile, the principle of pollination. I take up residence in the wild. You can smell me when you are in nature. My scent is pungent and revitalizing. I am the guardian of the wild grasses. I love roaming free. Come run with me. Come to enjoy the breeze amongst the grass and the wild flowers. Behold such easy beauty everywhere, such splendor. There is nothing to stop you but your interpretations, and in this moment, there is no need to cling to your beliefs and assumptions of security, for they no longer serve you. Be free. Your fulfillment is not found in arriving at a destination, but in each moment of your journey and in the joy of alignment with divine intention. Each season has its own fulfillment. Celebrate the accomplishment of love in all its growing and ever-changing ways. Above all, cherish your heart, the seat of all consciousness. So the focus would be freedom, fertility, and celebration. And then there's a practice here. Take in the splendor of natural places and come alive. Look for a place that nurtures you with beauty, possibly somewhere with wild grasses. If you don't have the chance to go outdoors, you can do this through visualization. Surround yourself with the people, animals, and plants you truly love. Okay, I really enjoy this. I think this deck is very, it's like a big warm hug. There's a lot of information here. It's going to take me a while to truly, read through it and connect with it. But I really think there's value in this. It's so different. I really like that the whole concept came about because Swan sat in a meditative state and asked the spirits to, the nature spirits to kind of just like reveal themselves for her. And it allowed this to happen. And when she hit 44 images, they made a deck out of it. And I think that is truly unique, something special. And if you are connecting to this in any way, if you like the art style, if you like the concept, I think this is quite, would you look at that, the deck or the card that I really liked. This is definitely a deck that I would recommend you check out. The price point is right there. It's a great price point. Goodness. $19.99, $24.99 in Canada. I think there's value in this. I feel like this is something that you can use for self-care, a daily pull, journaling, confirmation. It's something that you can use alongside tarot cards or whatever you choose to divine with. I think there's a lot here worth using. And if you just want to connect with the nature spirits as well, you can do so. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this deck. I'm quite excited to dive right in and get working with it. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. And thank you so much for sending this deck my way to let us share it together. I really appreciate that. So like I said, let me know what your thoughts and opinions are down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much for hanging out with me as always. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.